Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video. Yes. So guys, I'm going to teach you how you can film and clone yourself using Capcut. Before I take you guys into Capcut, how to edit your videos, so I'm going to say this, that cloning yourself in a video involves creating the illusion that there are multiple versions of you interacting within the scene. Here are the key steps and considerations to get started before jumping to how to edit them. So the first point is plan and prepare ahead. Plan your scene carefully. Know exactly what actions each clone will perform and how they will interact. Write a script detailing the dialogue and actions of each clone to maintain consistency. Your equipment, this is so important. A good quality camera with manual settings will be cool. Ensure it can be shot in high resolution. Another point is tripod. This is essential for keeping the camera completely still during the entire shooting to avoid shift in frame. The other point is consistency in your lighting is crucial to make the clone blend seamlessly. Avoid changing the lighting setup between takes because it will ruin the entire video. So the third point is, when shooting the video, place your camera on a tripod and ensure it does not move between takes. Any movement can ruin the entire effect. Record each version of yourself separately. Perform one character's actions completely before switching to the next. Remember positions and high lines for interactions. Okay, so now let's dive into how to clone yourself now. On Capcut, open Capcut, click on new project and click on your ready-made clip. Click on it, then you click on add overlay, then you pick the second video. After picking the second video, click on, you have to cut out some parts which are unnecessary. So now I'm looking for the unnecessary part of the second clip. Click on split, then you click delete, then you drag the clip to the beginning of the video. So after dragging the clip to the beginning of the video, so then you look for mask, then you click on mask, then you click on horizon and you twist the screen with your two fingers, and also to make sure that the effect is not affecting the other. Just make sure that you are cutting out the unnecessary parts like I am doing in this video. Cut it out and make sure, I would say that your clip must be in the same frame. As a beginner, you must leave it in the same time frame, like 30 seconds each for different clip. Okay, so now I'm trying to delete the unnecessary part in this clip, and this is all about how to edit, how to clone yourself in Capcut. So this is not really difficult to do, and I hope that you found this video informative and insightful. You can correct the color by going to adjust. You can adjust the brightness or adjust the contrast depending on what you want, what is suitable for you. Then click on 4K or 2K and you export. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video. So if this video is for you, kindly keep watching. Kindly keep watching. If you want to create video like this, Kenny, what are you doing here? You can see I'm filming a video. I just want to join you. Like, is that something special about this? Who are you talking to? Is it not your YouTuber? So I'm also part of your viewers. Like, Abegi. I'm sitting in front of my camera and we are eating banana. This is not professional. This is not professional, Kenny. Like, I have to end this video. Voila. End it. If you want to. I have to end it.